Everybody says my penis is too small. They say that it does not reach beyond my balls. Well, I got news for them. They are about to see that I have a very prominent sizable PP. About to expose myself in front of everyone in town. I'm about to pull my PP out, show it to all the kids in town. I don't have a mental illness, this is what I must do. If all the ladies think my penis is small, then I'll never get a girlfriend. So I gotta go and show my penis to some kids at a playground. I know it doesn't sound very smart, but trust me, word will get around. Those little kids will run home to their mamas and say, this guy has a humongous, ginormous PP. So I will surely get the phone numbers that I desire. Get me a bad bitch and then I'll retire. I'm gonna drink me a beer and not a faggoty Bud Light. Gonna sit on a youngling and look at my young wife. I've converted to Islam, so this 9 years is fine. Trust me, I'll wait till she's 11 to 69. Gotta stick her in a Glad bag, I cut a slit out. One is really hot, sometimes take a shit out. On the porch, the air conditioner is shitty. Don't know why the fuck I live inside the city. Oh, I should quit drinking.